Hey yo, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be breaking down my trading week, the trades I took, how they played out, and the profit or loss I ended up with. I also want to go over some chart analysis to help build a plan for the week ahead. So let's not waste any time and jump straight into my trades. As you might remember from previous video, I mentioned that I made my first $75 profit trading spot XRP. So let's add those $75 to my trading balance, which you can see in the top right corner. All right, that's done. And let's move on. This week didn't go really well. In fact, I would say it wasn't profitable at all. I took 3 trades this week, 2 long trades on Euro and 1 short trade on Bitcoin. So let's start with the first trade, which is long on Euro. On the weekly time frame, I had a bullish bias based on the weekly fair value gap acting as my point A and the weekly fractal high as my point B. After price tested weekly fair value gap and swept the daily fractal low, we saw the formation of daily rejection block with H4 volume confirmation in the form of H4 fair value gap, which served as my entry point. And as the result, I was stopped out with $50 loss. My second trade was a short on BTC. My overall bias on this asset is still bearish. I believe I already explained that in the last video, where the bearish monthly fair value gap is my point A and the monthly fractal low is my point B. Pretty straightforward. So I had to open trades on this setup, but one of them I forgot to move my stop loss to break even. By the time I noticed, I closed it manually and took $20 loss. Okay, now let's move on to the third and the last trade I realized this week. It was another euro long, still bullish bias. Price dipped into the discount zone at the weekly dealing range, forming H4 volume confirmation with an H4 support zone acting as my entry point. The only thing that concerned me was that this expansion happened on Monday during news. After that, price failed to sustain its upward momentum, so I decided to close the trade manually, taking $20 loss. So yeah, I ended the week down $90, but it is what it is. Unfortunately, losses are part of the game. Regarding charts, I'm still staying bearish on BTC and bullish on Euro. Bitcoin has reached a strong resistance zone in the form of monthly and the weekly fair value gaps. I'm expecting a reversal from here, so I opened another short trade with the wide stop, kind of like this. Yeah, and the euro, I'm still long bias. Realized one more trade where the fractal low in premium zone served as my point A and weekly fractal high as my point B. Now it's simply a waiting game. So yeah, of course, not every week is going to be a winning one. Sometimes we take losses and we close days or even the whole weeks with the negative PNL. That's just a part of the game. But that doesn't mean we should start revenge trading. Staying disciplined is the key if we want to be consistently profitable in the long run. That's why I track my performance on a quarterly basis. It's the bigger picture that matters. That's it for this week's review. Not the most profitable week, but it's all part of the process. Staying consistent and following the plan is the what matters most. Let me know in the comments how your week went, and if you found the analysis helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.